Hello guys and welcome. In this video I'll be showing you how to remove the intake manifold on a Toyota Corolla with the engine 2ZR-FE 1.8. The reason we're doing that because we are gonna replace the intake manifold gasket. I got this one from AutoZone. It's aftermarket. I don't want to wait for the OEM one. And this gasket is for the throttle body. I don't think I will replace it, but I'll see. I don't have to replace it. I need to replace the intake one because my gas mileage keeps on going down. I was at 31.6 miles per gallon, and now we are at 23.9. That is not good at all. And the vehicle lacks power. So we're gonna see if that's gonna fix it. I diagnosed it. It looks like it is the intake gasket, that one over there, because I was spraying some brake clean over here carefully, and I was looking at the short fuel trim, and it went to negative every time I sprayed. So yeah, I did remove this in the past after I installed the oil catch can, which actually works. And this is a cheap one from Amazon. There you go. Got some oil in there. But yeah, this is the place where I put it. If you want to reference that to here, I just drilled I didn't even drill. There are some holes here. I used this hole on the other side. So this is a good mounting bolt, but that's not the reason for our video. To remove this intake manifold, we got a 12 over there, 12 over here, 12 over there. That is a 12 as well. That is a 12 as well. And we have another one down there. That is a 12. And to make space for that, you gotta remove that, not bracket, but like the clip that's into the bracket, to get this out of the way, to get some space to go in there. Or you can use an extension and you just get there. And then we're gonna disconnect that, disconnect this hose right there, which is a vacuum hose, I suppose. And we will remove this guy as well, which is a 10 mil. And we're gonna disconnect the air tube to the throttle body. And if you want to either disconnect the throttle body to the intake, which we got 4 bolts here, or if you want to take it out with the throttle body, you just disconnect these coolant hoses here. So yeah, let's see how we tackle it. Okay, so to get to that bolt down there, I loosened this harness, and this harness is attached to that bracket right here with this clip, which is the same as this clip over here. So what you do, you don't press on this tab, you pull up on it. Let me try to show you the mechanism. So you want to pull it up and out. So it is seated this way, so you want to pull down on it and pull it outwards. Okay, so we're going down. I kept on pressing it. I forgot, I already took this intake out once, but I just forgot the process. Anyway, we got that down, loosened all these. So we're gonna take this bracket out, and I'll show you the intake out. I think you gotta you can take the dipstick out just to make it easy for you to get it out, but I don't think I can do that. I don't think I will do that, sorry, because there's a hole there. So yeah, I'll show you when I get the intake out. Just before I pull it out, I separated the throttle body and left the coolant hoses connected. I just set it there, disconnected it, of course, that's the connector. I think I'll just replace this. It doesn't look that great. This is how my throttle body looks. This car has 114, but I did some fuel inductions here and there. You also have 2 of these tree clips or harness clips. They're not tree clips. I don't know. They're just clips. That clip into the bottom of the intake. And I got our lovely bracket out, which was over there. You just fish it out. As you can see, I got this vacuum hose. I'll loosen this air intake tube. This vacuum hose that goes into here. So yeah, this should come out easy right now. Just noticed there was a clip that sits here, and we have another bracket with the same clip as this one that we need to disconnect over here. So we got 2, 1, 2. All right, this goes into the intake, so make sure to disconnect those. Okay, I just checked my oil catch can, and that's a lot, bro. I didn't reach 5,000 miles yet. Well, that's a lot of oil. I think time for a new PCV, because that is no bueno. Let me shine a light in there real quick. Where should I set this so I don't spill? You're gonna go on the ground. I'm not even sure where I'm gonna dispose that. But look at that. No bueno, bro. Oh my god. That did not look like this last time I took it apart. We're gonna change that. Okay guys, so I thought I was just gonna replace a seal, but I end up replacing the PCV valve as well, which is a 22 deep socket, 1/2 inch. It's fairly easy, but it is the culprit. You can hear it's an abnormal rattle. And this is the new one. So yeah, this is what was causing the oil consumption and the what do you call it, the low gas mileage. I went from 31 to 23. Wow. And then I think I'm gonna have to do a fuel induction just to get rid of the effects of this. So I'll try to figure out how to do a fuel induction without having access to a lift. Unfortunately, I'm literally in the street, bro. But yeah, I'm gonna just put everything back together, and it should be the reverse. Hello, kitty cat. There's a black cat. Anyway, thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you will find it useful, and leave a like if you enjoyed. If you have a question, don't hesitate to hit me up. I'll try to answer to the best of my knowledge, okay? Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, guys.